Here we are today with my beautiful assistant Eve, and we're gonna treat her today, and I promised her to turn back the time and make her like looking 10 years younger today from all of a sudden. And although I think she looks gorgeous and she has a pretty nice face, the aging signs can be already seen. She's in her mid-40s, so obviously we can see the first signs of aging. And in her case, it's a multiplied tissue issue, which means it's not only her skin that's aging, but also the lower layers, the deeper layers on her face. And if we target everything, all the problems that she has on her face, then that's the way to get a natural look. So she's gonna get a very nice, refreshed and youthful appearance after the treatment. So what we're gonna do today is, first of all, if we look at her skin, we can see a little bit of premature aging, like a little bit of spots. It's not too bad, but we can see structural changes like aging spots, larger pores, and a little bit of superficial wrinkles as well. And she also started to lose the fat compartments from her face. As we know, the fat tissues are compartmentalized on the face, and as we are aging, we are losing the fat. So we have to replace the volume loss. And what we're gonna do today for her, that we're gonna take her blood, spin it, take the platelets and inject it back to her face, to her skin, and her own platelets that contain all the human growth factors that can be found in a human body. These platelets are going to rejuvenate her skin. But what we're gonna do extra is that we're gonna produce filler from her own blood, and we are going to inject it back to the volume lost areas, which in her case is mainly the lower face, but we're gonna inject her everywhere, like in the tear through, and also the temple region a little bit. And also what she has, it's a little bit of sagging, not too bad, but there's a sagging, and I think if we would pull it up, not too much, like 1.5 centimeters upwards, then she would look gorgeous. So we're gonna target a deeper layer underneath the skin that's called SMAS layer, and we are going to insert threads. These are absorbable threads, so pretty safe, and we are going to insert them through the hair scalp. And this is a very simple procedure actually, and it will give the very natural result, and it's going to lift up her marionette lines and also the nasolabial fold. And as we are aging, usually what happens that our lips are shrinking as well. So I think it's a pretty good idea after a certain age to put a little bit of filler into the lip just to get back the youthful appearance of the lips. So we're gonna fill it up with some HA hyaluronic acid filler for her today, and that's going to give her an extra -5 years. So we're gonna treat her in a 3D, in a three-dimensional way, and by tomorrow she's gonna have a very useful, nice appearance and nothing too odd. She won't look unnatural. She's going to look like herself. No one wants to come to my office and look like someone else the other day. And actually, we're gonna be working tomorrow, so she will be ready for work by tomorrow. So let's start.